What's going on YouTube? It's Marcel back with another video for you. Today we are going to continue to build upon what we talked about in the last music production tip video, and that is the major scale. We are still continuing the major scale. So if you can, I need you to like this video. If you can, I need you to hype this video, subscribe, and let's continue to build this together. All right, so let's continue. So in the last video, we talked about the major scale, and we constructed the major scale. And for your review, we're going to do a C major scale with the notes here. So C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and back to C. So those are the notes for the C major scale. Now we are going to build upon that. So in this video, we are going to talk about the chord quality of each note in the scale. So what is chord quality? Chord quality, in layman's terms, is what type of chord it is. Now there are different types of chords. For example, you have a major chord, another one is a minor chord, another is an augmented chord, another one is a diminished chord, and those chord qualities are embedded in the major chord system, which makes it so easy for you to use. Okay, if I want to play the second note of the scale, what kind of chord goes with that? And I'm glad you asked, because we're going to go over that right now. Okay, so for the first note is always major. So the first note in any major scale, that note is always going to be a major chord. It is a major chord. All right, so let's go to the second note. The second note in any major scale is going to be a minor chord. Yes, it's going to be a minor chord. You may be asking, what's a minor chord? How do you make a minor chord? First, let's go through the different degrees, and then in another video, I will discuss that. So this is always going to be a minor chord. So the third note in the major scale is also a minor chord. The fourth note in the major scale is a major chord. So far we have two major chords and two minor chords. The first note of the major scale and the fourth note of the major scale are major chords. The second and the third notes of the major scale are minor chords. So the next note is a G, and the G is a major chord. The next note is the sixth note. The sixth note in the major scale is a minor chord. And in the major scale, the seventh is a diminished chord. I know it may sound fancy, but it's very simple to construct. And then, of course, you're back to the first note in the scale, which would be major. So the 1, the 4, and the 5 in every major scale, those are major chords. The 2nd note, the 3rd note, and the 6th note, those are minor chords. No, I'm sorry, this is this. Yeah, that's the 6th. I'm sorry, I forgot to delete it. The top note. So the 6, the 2, and the 3 are minor chords. And the 7th note in the scale is diminished. So you got major, minor, minor, major, major, minor, diminished. So I want you to apply this to all of the scales. This applies to all of the major scales. So if any song that you are making and you use the scale, you know exactly what chord goes with what note. And now in another, the next video, we're going to start to construct all of these chords that go along with it. I wanted to keep this nice and short so you can apply this immediately. And hopefully you guys liked this video. Hopefully it was informative. And so with that being said, thank you all so much for watching. Thank you guys so much. If it wasn't for you guys, we would not be able to do what we do here at So Lawful Kingdom. We are growing. We are spreading the word and getting and letting people know how to be better at what they do. And also, if you like any of our services, if you need your music mixed, mastered, or you need some production added to your music, please let us know. Contact us. All of our contact information is in the description below there. You can reach us. Also, we have free downloads for you there as well, and we want you to take advantage of them. You can also join our community by joining our e-letter and signing up with your email, and be notified about what's going on at the company and when new content drops and offers that we want you to take advantage of. All right, I know that was a mouthful. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys all in the next video. If you like and enjoy our content, please share, follow, and subscribe. We are on social media platforms such as YouTube, Rumble, Twitch, SoundCloud, Instagram, Facebook, and others.